Well, looky here, looky here. Looks like this box is in as good a shape as anything I've ever received from FedEx. What in the world did they do to... I'm not going to say nothing. This is my gas tank. Thank goodness it's here, huh? Let's get this thing started. Hi fellers, welcome to OAM Garage, where we're going to be doing some stuff. We're going to try to take this here tank out that we discovered has got the... So I think the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put Goozle on all this stuff here, because all of this stuff's got to come out. So let's get the Goozle. Here it is over here. I'm hoping what you're looking at is what I'm looking at. So we're going to go ahead and hit this. This all looks in good shape, so I'm not going to try to... Hopefully I can go back and use some of this stuff. I'll probably place this piece right here. Alright, so we want to hit this, hit that, both sides, yep, this. And let's see here, one thing I'm noticing here, this is a single strand wire that comes from the gas needle up there. It comes in here, hooks right here, and this is a ground wire that hooks right there. Yep, and I think we'll probably end up replacing that one as well. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to replace this one because it's got some places down here on it. But anyway, it clips right there, and I'll try to get some of that stuff out. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to start I'm going to let this Goozle soak a little bit first before I try to get this out, alright? And then we'll get back together. My tank is supposed to come in today. I hope it does. And if that's the case, the main thing I want to try to do is get this one out first. And so that's going to be the main idea of this here video. Okay? Alright then. Alright, so I got one question here. As you can see how long, now how are you supposed to turn that, even if you turn it over? I mean, we're going like, what, a 1/16 of an inch each time we turn? What is going on? What were you thinking in 1952? I don't know. You didn't have these. Thank God I have them now. So that will slip on there, and it will take it off. I don't know what they did back then. My goodness, I'm just so glad I got it now. By the way, I got this little jewel right here. Harbor Freight. That's right. Didn't hardly cost anything. It's worth its weight in gold. Am I tightening or loosening now? It's supposed to be going that way. So are we going that way? Yeah, we are. Looky. Here comes Cookie. Cook's Pest Control. That's a free little. But you want to go to Selma Pest Control. That's who you want to use. That's where Stevie and Blake work. Good friends of mine. goozle worked. That was the PB blaster type goozle right there. So got that one off good. All right. So now it's time to go over there. So I don't have to. Let's see here if I can reach over there. Yep. I don't know how long. I'm gonna have to change up something now. I cross the Swami River many moons ago. Alright, so how can I do this? Is it doing anything? I don't know. How could it not be right? Why would it not be? Alright, so it's just going to get the back of my head anyway, probably. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I think I'm tightening it. How much stuff you getting away? Alright. There we go. Alright, big guy, it's your turn. I wish I could go back in time and sell them one of these things. Oh, that'll be $1,000. Wow, that's a bargain. Yeah. Hope y'all are seeing this. Alright, so about there. Now you talking about fine thread, buddy. That's fine thread. Alright. There's that one. Alright, so we got that one. That one. So the next thing is to go working over there. So let's get all this set back up so you can see that. Okay. So let's see what we're going to have for that. A couple of screwdrivers. Okay, I got that. I got that. Summers. Well, let's just say I thought I had that. Yep, there he is right there. Alright, so we're going to use one of these fang-dangle kind of screwdrivers instead of something that was really needed. Okay. Uh-oh. There's trouble in paradise. Alright, Mr. Goozle. Maybe if I work it back and forth. No, that ain't gonna do because I'm Alright, now let's try it. Nope, just gonna bend it right back up. Crap. Let's try this one. Oh, this one looks like it's gonna try to do something. Alright, that's good. What about you? Yep, you're already loose. How about that? Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. That's good. Alright. But you're the one that wants to be the butt, right? Yeah, alright. Let's see if we can't do some persuading. Take my mini me's. Now while I hold that with this hand, we should be able to do it with that hand. Oh good, it just broke off. That's all right. Nothing wrong with that. And this don't look like it's in very good shape either. Yeah. So we'll just probably end up cutting all that off. But I want to keep these if I can, so let's take them off. Whew, that stuff's starting to burn my eyes. Starting to get gooey all over my hands. There's me a rag. There it is. There's me a rag. Get that off of my snap-ons. Yeah, right, like I gotta put a snap-on. Alright, let's see here. I'm sweating. Supposed to have a storm today, and right now it's hot right here in February, so good chance we're gonna have it. Get off of that. Is that where you're supposed to go? I don't think so. You're supposed to go up under there. Now, you know I'm going to drop this in the leaves and I won't be able to find it. Yep. Alright, so let's cross thread it. You want to? Yeah, I think that's what we ought to do is cross thread it. Yeah, so it'll be hard next time. Yeah, I always like doing stuff the hard way. Alright. There's one. You gonna get this open too? Yeah, I do. Let's get it off there. Yep. Trying to come out of there, ain't you? I'm still sweating. Alright, there you go. Let that go. There it is. Right there. And we'll push it off. Oh. You ever notice how when you're working on something, there is never a good angle for you to work on it? I mean, nothing ever. Nothing ever is easy. Not for the old Wilson family. Nothing. I bet it's that way for the other families as well. You know, it's like lining up this. That should be easy as it could be. I can't even seem to hit the hole. There we go. Oh, no, there we don't go. Ow. Hit my head again. What is your problem, bud? Get up over there. My fingernail just long enough. I was catching on that top piece. Not allowing me to do what I need to do. Good. Guess we don't care. Me. Alright, so let's see what we got next to do. Alright, so next we want to take off. We take the sending unit out. Yeah. Okay, so we've got special little tools, which I don't seem to have. Alright. So now what we're doing is we're kind of cleaning up behind under tank that I just pulled out. And there's another one of my, I got both of those. Yeah, if it goes down that little hole, that's the hole that lets the gas out, so it's not a big hole. Not a problem. Alright, let's go to the other side. Yeah, and then I'm going to get the vacuumless cleaner and see about getting the rest of this stuff. Y'all see this weather? Not good. Yeah, yesterday it was hot. Today it's very cool and the wind ain't blowing much. But what do you do? Solid gold pen. Man, somebody would love that, wouldn't they? Alright, let's get the vacuumless cleaner. Is that one? Nope. Nope, not that one. Let's get this one. You know it sucks. Alright. So we're gonna clean house. Clean house. We're gonna clean house as soon as I can get some power. As soon as I can get some power. Yeah, that's what Donald J. Trump is saying. I'm gonna clean house. I'm gonna clean house just as soon as I get power. So let's give it to him. Oh yeah. There went my screw. I'm gonna have to get that. That's the one I was looking for. Paint this back here. Alright, let's go to the other side. No, this is got to be loud. So how are you liking this so far? Huh? Yeah. Yep. I hope it's recording. Because half the time it ain't. Well, fellas, I think I've taken enough of your time. I believe it's going to be it, because I want to clean this all out, and I don't have time for that on this show. I want to clean this all out and get it painted with a undercoat or something like that, and so I don't want to put it back in there with it being this dirty and all. Plus I've got to get some parts for over yonder. I need to get some more rubber hoses for that and figure out this other gas tank. I hadn't looked at it yet, see where the gas is coming out. Hopefully it meets up with that hole over there, and we'll just go from there. Alright guys, love you, mean it. Y'all be sweet, and remember, please don't litter. You just don't look good. Alright, it ain't pretty. Y'all be sweet. Bye. Wow, I got my new gas cap on there. What? Wait a minute. What? What's going on here? Where's my gas tank?